So now we are doing test with the software. Here in the audiometer, the one connection will be over here, the other USB will be in the laptop. Now in the screen we are going to start the software. So this will be the starting screen. We need to remember that when software will start, we need to select the port every time when we start the software for the first time. So you can select port from over here, and as you can see the COM is selected from here. Now for testing, if there is a new patient, we can select from over here, and if there is a existing patient, you can select from over here, which is load patient option. So if I select the new patient, I need to fill all the detail. For example, I am filling all the details. If you wanted to add any additional comment, you can write down over here and save the detail. Now as you can see, the patient has been added. Now I will load the patient and I will go into the session. So previously we haven't done any session, so I will select a new session and this will be the screen. Now over here you need to select the audiometer console. So audiometer machine is on right now, so the same screen you will see on the laptop. Now if the audiometer is not on, it will show only proton written over here. Now whatever function we are doing from the manual operation, you can do the same function over here. So you just need to click that button and automatically you can choose that option. Now suppose we are doing the ACL test for 1000 Hz frequency with 30 decibel sound. If the patient, and we will give the stimulation option over here. If patient is responding, you can go to the lower level. Now again we are giving the stimulation. If patient does not respond, you can go to the previous intensity and record by pressing the save option. So here you can see the graph has been recorded. Now the same test can be done by changing the frequency and recording the result. Every time you select the save option, the graph will be plotted for each frequency. Complete the task by selecting all the frequency. You can change the year from here. Now it is ACR. Suppose I am selecting this frequency. Now you will see this will record the result for right year. Same way you can change the frequency from here and intensity from here and record the result. After doing the test, you can save result from here also, or you can go in the file and save session. So your session will be saved. From here you can give the print option. Here you can get the two option: printing for the left and right ear separately, and printing for the left and right by merging the result. So by this option you can give the printout also, and you can save in the PDF form also. So here I am saving the result in PDF form. So the final result you can see on PDF format. This is how result will look. Now here you can select the audiologist detail and edit that option. Currently I have selected that. You can choose as per your option and save. So in the final evaluation report you can see the details. Here you can see the graphical interpretation as well as numerical interpretation along with the detail of the patient. If there is any comment you wanted to put during the session, you can write down over here and give the printing option. Thank you.